In a tiny cage, on a merchant's ship, lived a small canary named Clementine. Her song, sweet and clear, was the only source of comfort for the sailors faced with the vastness of the sea. One stormy night, the ship was tossed by waves. Clementine's cage rattled, and the sailors worried. What if she stopped singing? The storm raged, and Clementine's heart pounded. She felt the ship shudder, and her cage shook violently. The canary knew what she must do. She took a deep breath, closed her eyes, and began to sing. Her voice, once feeble, was now strong and clear, echoing through the chaos. The sailors heard her song, and it filled them with hope. They braced themselves, determined to weather the storm. The ship rocked, but it didn't break. Days passed, and the storm subsided. The sailors, exhausted but alive, thanked Clementine for her courage. She had saved them with her song. But Clementine was not content. She had been freed from her cage, but the ship was still bound by the sea. She realized that her song could free more than just herself. So, she spread her wings, and with the sunrise, she took flight. She soared over the ocean, her song ringing through the air, a beacon of hope. The sailors, seeing her fly, were inspired. They too found the courage to dream of freedom. And slowly, one by one, they too took flight. The canary's song was a reminder that even the smallest among us can make a difference. It was a lesson in courage and freedom, a song that would be sung for generations to come.